Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today is the Africa Twins' first ever MOT. I've had the bike for just over a year. She's turned 3 years old. So, yeah, let's take her for her first MOT. But first, I need to go around the shop and go get some cash out. She needs a very, very good wash, but with the way the temperatures have been lately, I've not wanted to wash it at all. With the sun and stuff like that, I don't think it's a good idea, and I've got nowhere to actually keep her in the shade whilst I get her washed, and I don't want the what's the word to use, you know, like the shampoos and all that sort of stuff. I don't want that to damage any of the paintwork, and obviously I can't wash her at night because of work reasons. Obviously I go to bed quite early, getting up quite early. But anyway, right, so yeah, the Africa Twins' first ever MOT. Don't have to go far for it. I've only got to go about a mile down the road. Obviously I'm not taking her to a main dealer or anything like that. I'm taking her to the guy that I always use for anything on my bikes. And that's just personal preference. In my opinion, you know, I've got nothing against going to main dealers, really don't, but I don't think, and I don't feel, I think they're just like a conveyor belt, you know, they're just in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. I'd rather have someone who takes their time on bikes, knows what they're talking about. They're not going to rip you off. He's been around bikes his whole life, works on bikes every day. You know, the place that I use, company called Fat Bloke Cycles, owned by a bloke called Gaz. Amazing guy. Like I said, he knows everything about bikes. He's never going to rip you off, he'll be honest with you. I just feel that if you take it to a main dealer, they'll be like this, and this, and this, and this, and they'll overprice you, they'll overcharge you for the work. This guy's honest, and I've never ever had a bad thing from him. And like I said, I've always used him. Well, he's here. Right guys, let's get her booked in, let's get her in, and let's get the MOT done. See you in a little bit. Alright lads, see you later. Well, that's the first MOT done, complete. She passed with no advisories whatsoever, which is what I thought anyway. Look at that, 31 degrees already. It's 11 o'clock in the morning. Whew, let's go home. I've got to go to town, because it is my wedding anniversary tomorrow. So we need to go get Kay a little present. Don't know what I'm getting her yet, but that's off subject. And I'm out on the bike tomorrow anyway, so she's not happy about that. But she loves me. Well, she says she loves me. But no, let's get back to Fat Bloke Cycles. I'll leave their description in the link down below. Gaz, top bloke, really is a top bloke. And personally, I'd rather line the pockets of small independent businesses, where he's just gave my bike a really good, even though it's only an MOT, he's just gave my bike a really good going over. He gives you a brew as well. Really friendly chap. And like I said, he won't rip you off. Straight to the point, honest. And that's what I like. If I was to go to a main dealer, they'd probably turn around to me and say, you need this doing, when the work probably doesn't even need doing. Got a lot, and I mean a lot of knowledge about bikes. You know, tandem bike. You don't see many of them about, do you? So guys, nice, short but sweet video. I hope you have a great weekend. If it's the weekend when you're watching this, which it probably will be because I release the videos on a Friday, but I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope you stay safe. And I hope to see you out there. See you later guys.